guys, I'm back once again with another video. I am in Adan right now, and I was doing a video on the street asking our mothers who sell at the market how the price of the food is very cheaper than the one that we buy in Accra and other places. So they give me the prices of some of the items they are selling, and it's very, very cheap. So whilst I was passing by, I said, hey, I want to say hi to for him. He said he has one or two things he wants to talk about the market. So in case you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Please, your name?
My name is Benjamin Kate.
Benjamin. Okay. So you say you have a little issue with our mothers, those who sell at the roadside. Is there anything you want to tell the world and the people of Adan?
Oh yeah, exactly. What I want to tell our authorities is that those who sell close to the road, they find it very difficult in selling, especially they are too close to the road.
Okay.
And anything can happen. But we have a market here which is close to the main road.
There's market.
There is market.
Okay, I thought there's no market. That's why they are selling.
No, there is a big market. You're having a very big market, I can say here.
And the market, there's nothing wrong with the market.
No, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just here.
Okay.
So what I want to suggest is that as the market is close to the road, they can just open it to the road so that the sellers, ordinary days, the sellers can be by the roadside and sell at one place and sell. It will be better than for them to scatter by the roadside like this. And secondly, it's also spoiling our business for us. As you can see, look at it. A whole shop like this. And look at in front of me. Look at how, because my customers can come with a cycle, can come with car, and as they put things in front of me, my view, how can my customers park their car or their motor?
Okay.
So we also find it that very difficult.
So have you tried talking to the authorities, and what are the response that you get from them?
Several times. They came here, and then for permits and other business issues, we used to pay it every year. When they came, I discussed with them, and I even giving them an idea concerning the market, as I was saying. But up to now, nothing is done. Nothing has been done. So it's good you are here. If you can also make it wide, so that our voice will be heard.
So what is the particular day for the market day?
The particular
do they have any day, like today is Wednesday?
Or the market day is Friday and Tuesdays.
Okay, so the Friday and Tuesday they don't go to the market, they come to the roadside to sell.
Yes, no, some of them go to the market. Okay. Some of the markets here.
Okay, so the market and the roadside, which one is the busiest place? That when is the market day for the women to go to the market, instead of them to sell at the market, they come to the road? Which one is the busiest day for them? Is it selling at the market or at the roadside?
Selling in the market is the busiest day for them. Okay. Because as for the market, people come from so many places, even Kumasi and other places. So selling at the market is a very busier place than the roadside.
Okay. So why do they choose to sell at the roadside?
I think, you see, now the system is very hard. So you cannot stay in the house without doing anything. So when you go to market Friday or Tuesday, the other days you can come to the roadside to at least have something small for yourself.
Okay. Wow. So guys, this is very good and nice idea of our. It's very, very, very dangerous, like the way we see in Accra, Ashiama, and other places. And this one, they have market, but our mothers refuse to, go to the market. Our mothers are very stubborn, like our kids in the school. But you tell them not to make noise. When the teacher leave the class, that's when they start, make noise. When they see the teacher coming, then is it that's the tax they are taking from them, the money they are paying at the market is too huge for them that they cannot pay, or they don't get space at the market. That's why most of them come to the roadside to sell.
No, it is not their fault. The market women, it is not their fault. But the whole problem comes from the assembly. The assembly. Me, I don't blame them. I'm blaming the assembly.
Why do you blame the assembly?
The assembly is the one who have to put things into place. They have to at least prepare a place for them. At least like how the market is close to the main road. They can even open it to the roadside. They can go there, and when a car is passing, you see, the women, they serve by strategy. You see, when the cars are passing, they make a stopover and they buy for them. You see, so as the market is close to the roadside, what they have to do is to prepare a place for them close to the roadside, so
the car
can stop, or they can make a stopover. The car can park and go and buy something for them. You see, I don't blame the market women, but I blame the assembly. And this I don't see it as something huge or a problem for the assembly, because they are having the opportunity. While the market is close to the roadside, they can do something, and then the market will be free.
So when we go to the market right now, that means you are not going to see anybody at the market, or there are people selling over there.
The market is just here. We can even just a stone throw. We can even go there so that you can.
So I think you have to go there for us to see and.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We can go.
Okay.
The
So
market is just
yes. So let's like so guys. Somebody will say that. Maybe the market, like the way we see in Accra and other places, some of our market women, there is a space beside her, but instead of her to allow somebody to also sell beside her, she will not allow. She will put different thing over there. That's why you can see most of our women in the city stand by the roadside and they sell. So we are going to the market and check if what our father here is saying is true. Please, your name is?
My name is Benjamin.
Benjamin, you mentioned your name earlier on. Okay, Mr. Benjamin says. So we are going to the market to, look at how the market is. I don't know that other Kase have markets. This is my first time hearing that. So let's go to the market and see how the market looks like. Let's go. So why is it that the women don't come here always, but
they cannot come here by themselves? They will come. They can come here based on the authorities.
Okay.
You see, and before they come here too, they have to prepare at least part of the market for them, just to be close to the roadside, for them to have the advantage.
Okay.
The advantage of the customers, so that when you are selling and nobody is seeing your item, how can they buy? But when the thing is close to the roadside and the car is passing, like that is why they are selling by the roadside. And the car is passing, oh, I need to buy this, I need to buy that. The person can stop, get down and come and buy for you. You see, so their problem is from this authority, the assembly, for them to prepare place for them close to the.
Can we pass like this?
Yeah.
Wow. But this market is bigger than a Shama market too. Hey. Wow.
We are having market.
A big market. So they only come here Fridays and Tuesdays.
Fridays and Tuesdays. You see, meanwhile, the authorities can make this market daily market. You see, every day they can make it daily, and then they will make more money. You understand? The market is supposed to be a daily market. So if you are selling and you are tired, you go home and go and rest.
So that anything you need when you come to the market, we have food, fish sellers zone, fruit salad zone.
Exactly. That's how it is.
This market is bigger than Ashama and Taba market. Hi.
It's not a small market.
Wow.
We are having markets, and instead of them to strategize this thing so that they can get more money, I don't know. Look at it. Only Tuesday and Fridays. But this market can be a daily market every day. This market can be busy. People come from Kumasi far away. So many places, Techima, and that's where some of the market women bring these things from maize.
Different, okay.
Yeah, maize, and then this cassava powder and all those. And that's where they are bringing all those items from.
So where exactly is the assemblyman? Where does he stay?
The assemblyman.
Yeah.
Assemblyman is at the back of the market.
Okay.
He's not far from the market.
So can we go to his place, or if you can direct me?
I left my phone, and
we'll go to the shop so that if I can get his number.
He's a teacher.
Okay.
So I don't know whether
he will be
in school or, but we are even close to the house.
Okay.
So you can go and find out whether he's in the house.
It's a very big market. This market is bigger than Tema Ashama market too. Guys, this is a very big market. In this market, people only come here for Fridays and Tuesdays, which is very, 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 very bad. This market in Adan here is big. It's a very big market. It's a very big market. Wow. I'm even surprised. I don't know Adan.
That is the roadside.
So that means something they have to clear this place for.
Just small place. Even I don't even know whether those people.
Okay, guys. So I want to talk to some of the people at the roadside and ask them why. Good afternoon. Wate. Pia danu ni jumo. Inanga juagbong nye stosi. Mini jene jualiome ne na juani nge blo here. Aye le jone a juani nge juamni no feno ko ba blo here.
Wa hiyo jalenge ya wange this na ke wo marketo. Se bekumle adeka mapia jan se anyewe ne apia se wa hiyo wange Friday ke Tuesday. No Friday ke Tuesday o awo wange marketo nge wasikabi no chondo. Well after that ole this o mele hiyo le awo wange ke no.
Le nye be problem ko ke ko alum nyele ne nge storm mo nye be ne me na nge blo hiyo akomo ponye komo we. Kanine jena ye juanwa mina juani ngele jo.
Pure benejio sana simblo lo kama mo ato block nyangele jo all the time juani nyene wo ngele jo so because of that onanyo na apeno kaja la na all the time blo ngele jo ne. Okay. Kelo benelo lo me be ka no mo. They won't feel kan nge blo yo amanyima na market juani.
Le pure ne keba kan appelé by force kan ni hinaya juamne ajuanio ko ye keji hiyo ke ya na assembly lo nukutama meke ko sanele akun stock mi ngayo ne ana access ka ya juamne ke lole bi lole manyama park nga hiyo ne ni manyama ya juamne ko ye ke assembly etumunyu ko kaja e maye ke bua le bi ke bua
Before all go jamano ko manye ma happy o. E ma depend the government okay mambio me ama nani semi aloko ji ke e manye ma bano ya ga cho aga ni awakening e bro le pio jo ma kunu ko wio o be si tegune o ma kun se ja abami ka abami le gbe mba yo le ko e manye ma happy ka manye ma pe le ka pio ja on le jo manye ma wo all the time all the time ma jo ma wo pio abe market days here ka be wange first Friday ke Tuesday no wa be here all the time le jo e wo market pero cho ka pio I don't know ka all the time ke blon e manye ma ba take please ke bi lo ke jami yo le ko le problem
le nye ne nye blo nge yo ni ko meke nyepo apo tax we ka be na cho ticket ke hanyo ni ko me ka ja nge no ya nge alo nyepi acho
wa pure tax nge store ma yo
store no le nge se ka be ne daily ticket na po ke han e ko 1 cedi ke 2 cedi so nyepi ko nge
apio se wo store bi o me le wa po se ma bi o me le
na joining e blo yo
ke market okla apio
lo hewe kan jama no kla ke agbanu feno ko kaya juamine baka juange udali bisi cabinet chene suha ke peplek bio eji the biggest market there every day ko ya keko onge blodo lo mana blodo bi nga yo onge mumu bi lo mana mumu bi nga oli ka da no mai ke bwane ne mene ange masio mo amanye makpale ke ba amam na ba isinga dane ama tai ne ama developer da
o ma wa we jaga SGO ke juange all the time so de ka do ka every day motu piani bokwe juange all the time lo ke ga uja all the time ni nge skanga mamba lo ke no ko ngesio ma ba isinga mamne machuni se pio na apele market deso yani e ke no ya mi nyowe ne
onya gbe munyo ke ne me ne mo ye camera adali na ngesi nke ne me na nge adance adna pio oka me ne na ni se me no de me no ko ha me pitipe
pio le loko ni ba de wa dan yo na nge masiji abo ma de le aba mami ko na ba ye ke boa ne ka be ne na ke fon wa ngbem no ne wa to ebro yan ne wa nye ne wa pine ke no ya ne ba pele ke aba ne me wa na ko ne awani ne ake fon ko lo pe ne le pele ma de me ji eno ne
yo papa obie
ati mi inusa
awai okay yo open no wa we comfort to me
thank you
ìyàwó ọbọ nyonyo ìwọ ọbọ nyonyo bọkú náà mi ìwọ fègèjì ìwọ ọbọ nyonyo bọkú náà mi ìwọ fègèjì nílẹ̀ bọkú náà mi ìwọ ọbọ nyonyo.